is Siberian News.
And today, in Siberian News, we're going to talk about
Chemical reaction in global warming and the carbon cycle.
and what effects carbon has in the global warming.
And now I present Brenda Morales with the carbon cycle.
Hi, I'm Brenda Morales, and I'm going to talk about how the carbon moves around the Earth, which is called the carbon cycle. In the atmosphere, carbon is attached to some oxygen in a gas called carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide and sunlight to make their own food and grow. The carbon becomes part of the plant, and when plants die, they turn into fossil fuels made of carbon like coal and oil over millions of years ago. When humans burn fossil fuels that they take out from the earth, most of the carbon quickly enters the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and traps heat in the atmosphere. Without it and other greenhouse gases, Earth would be a frozen world. But humans have burned too much carbon that there is about 30% more carbon dioxide in the air today than there was about 150 years ago. And the air is becoming a warmer place.
And now with a chemical reaction, Daniela Montoya.
The chemical reactions. Today we're going to talk about chemical reactions that are involved in the carbon cycle. From giving birth, breathing, dying, lighting a match involves carbon. One chemical reaction we are all familiar with is cellular respiration. Oxygen is used to break down carbohydrates with the result to energy, CO2 and H2O. CO2 is also released in various exothermic reactions. Natural reactions include volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and volcanic vents. Synthetic reactions include burning of fossil fuels, gasoline, and coal. Another chemical reaction is called photosynthesis. Plants use solar energy to turn atmospheric carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Organisms use the carbohydrates through the process of respiration. These are a few of the chemical reactions that are involved in the carbon cycle.
Hey, hi little guys, and I talk about the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Human activities are shown by atmospheric scientists to be responsible for increasing the amount of carbon dioxide or CO2 in the atmosphere. Humans produce between 3 and 6% of all carbon dioxide emission in the air. Natural carbon sources produce much larger quantities than making, but this is offset by the vast natural carbon sinks that remove the CO2 from the air. The current balance is due to human activity. We know where the increase comes from because CO2 from fossil fuels has a specific chemical signature, and scientists have observed that a proportion of CO2 from fossil fuels in the atmosphere has increased globally, and even more in cities and populated areas. Human emissions are not the only factor, but is currently the most significant. For example, human emissions of CO2 are 130 times greater than the amount released by volcanic eruptions.
Now, we're going to talk about the mainly equations that are going to use in the global warming. First, 2 molecules of H2 plus 2 molecules of O2 react to convert 2 molecules of water. 1 atom of carbon plus 1 molecule of O2 equals 1 molecule of CO2 or carbon dioxide. Then, CH4 plus 2 molecules of O2 equals a molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of water. 2 molecules of CH18 equals 25 molecules of O2 react to equal 60 molecules of CO2 plus 18 molecules of water. Also, 1 atom of Na plus vapor water, 1 molecule of water equals NaOH plus a molecule of H2. And well, that's it. I hope you learned something today.
And now we will proceed with Daniela with causes and effects of global warming.
Natalia Wakatahargi, and I will talk about the causes and effects of the CO2 in the atmosphere. The causes of the increment of the CO2 in the atmosphere are the overpopulation, the volcanic outgassing, and the burning of fossil fuels. And the effects of that are the acidity in the oceans and in the rain, and the global warming, because CO2 is a greenhouse gas, and greenhouse gases make the planet warm, and because there is too much CO2, the planet gets warmer. Bye.
And this was all for today.
Thank you for watching Sidenia's News.
See you next Monday.